Hello, my beautiful learners. Welcome back to Speak English with Raksha. If you are watching this video today, I already know one thing about you. You want to speak English confidently, but somewhere inside your heart, there is fear, there's hesitation, there is self-doubt. Maybe you think, I am too late, my English is too weak, people will laugh at me, I don't know where to start. If this sounds like you, then this video is specially made for you. Today, we are starting a beautiful journey, a journey from zero to confident English speaker. And I am not alone. I have my dear friend with me today, Lohi.
Hi, Raksha. Actually, I'm feeling very nervous, even to say hi in English.
That's okay, Lohi. Nervousness is the first sign that you truly care about learning. Tell me honestly, why are you scared of English?
Raksha, when I open my mouth to speak English, my mind becomes blank. I know some words, I know small sentences, but when people look at me, I forget everything. I feel embarrassed, I feel small. Sometimes I feel like giving up.
I can feel your pain, Lohi. And let me tell you something very important. You are not alone. Millions of people feel exactly the same way. But only a few people decide to change their life. Today, you have taken that decision by watching this video. Lohi, let me ask you one simple question. When did this fear start?
In school, my teacher once laughed when I made a mistake. My classmates also laughed. From that day onwards, I stopped speaking English. I only memorized for exams, never spoke from my heart.
That one moment created a scar inside you. But listen carefully. That teacher's reaction does not define your intelligence. That laughter does not define your future. That mistake does not define your ability. Mistakes are not enemies. Mistakes are teachers.
I never thought like that.
That's why today is special. Today, we change your mindset first, because without mindset, no technique will work. Lohi, say this line loudly with me. I am a beginner, and it is okay to be a beginner.
I am a beginner, and it is okay to be a beginner.
Perfect. Again, with confidence.
I am a beginner, and it is okay to be a beginner.
Perfect. A baby doesn't feel ashamed while learning to walk, so why should you feel ashamed while learning to speak? Now let's start practically. No grammar tension, no long sentences, only simple English. Lohi, tell me something about yourself in one simple sentence.
I am Lohi.
Excellent. That itself is English speaking. Now add one more sentence.
I am Lohi. I live in a small town.
Very good. See, you are already speaking English. Fear was lying to you.
Raksha, nobody ever told me that English can be this simple. I always thought English means big words, perfect grammar, and fast speaking.
No, Lohi. English means communication, not perfection. Connection, not competition. Let's practice some daily sentences together. Repeat after me slowly. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I will speak every day.
I will speak every day.
I believe in myself.
I believe in myself.
Beautiful. Your voice already sounds stronger. Lohi, promise me one thing. You will speak at least 5 minutes every day, even if you make mistakes.
I promise, Raksha. I don't want to stay silent anymore. I want to express myself.
That's the spirit. Remember, fluency comes from consistency, not talent. But Lohi, this is only the first step. In the next part, I will teach you how to think in English, how to build sentences naturally, how to practice alone at home, how to remove fear permanently, and how to speak confidently in real-life situations. And something very special that changed my own life.
I can't wait, Raksha. I already feel hope inside me.
Well, dear viewers, if Lohi can start from zero, you can too. Don't give up on yourself. Your English journey begins today. Good morning, Lohi. How are you feeling today?
Good morning, Raksha. Actually, I practiced yesterday night. I spoke to myself in English for 5 minutes, just like you told me.
Wow, that's amazing. How did you feel while speaking?
At first, my words were slow. I made many mistakes, but something strange happened. I didn't feel scared. I felt free.
That is the magic of taking the first step. Fear disappears when action begins. You should be proud of yourself, Lohi. Today, I'm going to teach you something very powerful: how to think in English. Most learners fail because they first think in their mother tongue, then translate into English. This creates delay, confusion, and fear.
Yes, that happens to me all the time. I think in Kannada, or my language, and then I get stuck.
Exactly. So today, we will train your brain differently. Look around you right now. Tell me what you see, only in English.
I see a table. I see a window. I see a book. I see a chair.
Perfect. This is called English observation practice. Every day, just name things around you in English. Slowly, your brain will start thinking naturally in English. Now, let's build sentences using a simple pattern. Subject plus verb plus object. Example: I eat food. I read a book. I drink water. Now you try.
I drink tea. I read newspaper. I watch TV.
Good. Just one small correction. I read newspaper. I read a newspaper. Excellent progress.
Correction doesn't feel scary now.
That's because you're learning with love, not fear. Lohi, many learners say, I don't have anyone to practice with, but you don't need anyone. You can practice alone. Here are 3 powerful methods. Method 1, mirror practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk about your day in English. Example: today I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I made tea. I feel happy. Method 2, voice recording. Record your voice on phone. Listen again. Correct yourself slowly. Method 3, thinking aloud. Whatever you are doing, speak softly in English. I am cooking. I am washing dishes. I am going outside.
This feels possible now. I can really practice daily. Raksha, today one person laughed when I spoke English outside. For a moment, my old fear came back.
Lohi, look at me. People laugh because they don't understand your journey. Never allow someone else's ignorance to stop your growth. Remember, you are growing. Growth looks strange to people who never try.
I won't stop again. I promise.
Let's do a real-life practice. Imagine you meet a friend. I'll be the friend. You respond. Acting: hello, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. How are you?
What are you doing these days?
I am learning English. I practice every day.
Beautiful, simple, clear, confident.
Confident tone. Raksha, I don't feel like a zero anymore. I feel like a beginner who is moving forward.
That's the biggest success, not perfection, progress. Dear viewers, if you're watching this till now, I know you are serious about changing your life. You don't need talent. You don't need expensive courses. You only need courage to start, discipline to practice, patience to grow, and love for yourself. Speak daily, make mistakes proudly, believe in yourself deeply. Your English journey starts today. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share with one friend, and subscribe to Speak English with Raksha. And remember, you are not weak in English, you are just under-practiced. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.